So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a video for ICP. Currently there isn't a price prediction here, so hopefully we can drop a new one today. Welcome to the channel. Hit the like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. As you all will see, or will begin to see, this is what I do. I just come in, look at the market from a language perspective to see what everyone else is thinking and try to get in a position so that we can try to beat them at where they're trying to take price. So let's go ahead and talk about it real quick. Currently you can see that ICP did get rejected right here at this sell pocket, okay, which we shouldn't be surprised because historically we saw back in June 10th 2025 the market did see some sellers hit that particular price, and the market in ICP has gone to the downside. So we're going to label this as a pocket of selling. Okay, so it's a great run in ICP. Beginning of the month of July, price ran all the way up to the pocket, and now it came back down. Okay, so right now the market currently is testing to see if they can hold buyers right here. Okay, so this may be an opportunity for us to see a bounce in ICP to where price will try to attempt to break through that sell pocket of $6.20. Will they be successful? Time will tell. Let's go ahead and look at this on the 2 for ICP real quick. So here is the price action of ICP on the 2-day time frame. It doesn't look that good. What about on the 3? We need to see the type of reaction that occurred on this 3-day price bar right there. Okay, so what do you guys think about that? It does look pretty bearish to me. But these buyers that occurred on these 2 3-day price bars, they may actually still be incentivized to come in and try to support price, as the market currently is trying to bounce from the buyer's pocket right now. Look at this on the 4. Okay, zooming out just a little bit, you can see that the market price action in ICP hasn't been that great. We just pretty much seen the market just trade within a range of $6.25 or so, taking it all the way back down to this particular area of $4.45. So that's the very tight range that we've noticed in the market in ICP over the last couple of 4-day bars. We really need to pay attention to how this 5-day price bar prints at the end of the day. Okay, we see the market in ICP close at the bottom of this 5-day bar, then we need to expect, I'm not saying that it's going to happen, but we need to expect that this buy pocket won't hold, that those buyers will flee, they'll run, because they're scared that more sellers will try to impact their orders and they don't want to buy it at high prices. Okay, so currently it does look as if the 5-day chart is pretty weak. Look at this on the weekly. Okay, generally what we don't like, as I zoom out and look at this on the weekly chart, you can see that this particular cryptocurrency has saw massive selling every time price came up to this point. Okay, you can see it off of the price chart. When I point these arrows down to you, you can see what's been going on every time market came to this price of $6.25, $6.40. Price went down. Buyers brought the price back up on this weekly price bar. Price went down again. Price went down, and here we are, what, a 4th time, and we're still seeing the market react negatively to this price. That's not a good thing. At least it tells us that they're not ready to break out to the upside. So let's look at this on, let's see, the 2. Okay, 3. We're going to break this down on the hourly chart now. So this is the market in ICP on the 5-hour chart. As I told you earlier, we can tell that there's currently some people thinking that this is another opportunity to come in and buy this cryptocurrency. So let's go ahead and lower this down a little bit. Here on the 5-hour chart, we do recognize that there's some sellers right around here. So we're going to jot this area as a sell pocket. Here's ICP on the 3. Take a look at this on the 1-hour chart. So yeah, on an hourly basis, we can see the market in ICP attempt to try to come up to this particular sell pocket right here. And then the type of reaction that we'll see will tell us whether or not we will continue to see an up move to this next sell pocket, which is right here. Okay, so as of right now, I think the move that we've seen over the last couple of trading days of this great run to the upside, I think it's waning. I think it's going to take a break. The best outlook that I'm seeing right now is this currency just trade within range until it's ready to break out. So could we see the market go up in ICP? Yes, we can definitely see that. Take a look at this on the 330. And the reason why I say we can see it go higher is because of what these buyers are attempting to do now. Currently, like I said, on the 5, look at the price chart at the end of today to see how the market closes on the 5. If it closes down here on the bottom like it currently is now, then we have to follow through with these sellers, expecting them to impact these buyers who are right in this area. Like they may come back and test to see if these buyers won't control the price again, and if they do, then we'll see another attempt to hit that sell pocket around $5.70 or so. Okay, so as of this recording, what we're going to do is we're going to look for ICP to trend to the downside. Now, I'm telling you this off the rip. The market here in ICP, it can still go higher. I already identified the reason why. It's because these people in this pocket are suspecting that I have another opportunity to come in and buy ICP at $5.20, and hopefully we'll grab more buyers to where we can impact this move to the upside to this first sell pocket or even a second. Okay, because usually on like a first reaction of seeing a big move to the downside, people see that as an opportunity to come in and jump on board because they feel that they lost out on the first move to where this cryptocurrency ran up. Okay, now outside of this first buy pocket, let's say that the buyers don't hold that, where would be the next area? I really like this one down here. Okay, so let's go ahead and mark these areas as pockets of buying. Okay, so now I'm gonna run this back to the daily, and these will be targets of what we're going to look forward to. So the first target is going to be this bounce again that we may see on this first buy pocket. At the low of the pocket is 5.5%. If we see it just touch the top of this pocket, it's only 3.68. I know it's not a lot, but we do understand that there's opportunity for the buyers to come back in and support this cryptocurrency's price. If they don't show up at this first pocket, we're going to drop it all the way down to this next pocket right there around $4.90, $5, 10.17% there. If we continue to see weakness, 12.12. Now this pretty much is being created from what we are expecting to see off of the 5-day time frame. Okay, so got a little time to see how this market reacts, but I will become a little bit more confident that price in ICP is going to go a lot lower if we see the market break this first buy pocket. And that's it. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.